Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations, and June is upon us, which means summer, thankfully, is right around the corner. And this month's Club Couture transfer is right on point. It's called Live in the Sunshine. For just $19.99, you get an exclusive B-size transfer, 3 paste singles. Club Couture customers get $5.99 flat rate shipping on all their orders with Chalk Couture. If you join with Ken's Creations Club Couture, you're gonna get some amazing exclusive perks. So amazing, I can't even tell them to you in this video. So make sure to look for our link tree, send us a message, and we'd be happy to go over why our club is the best on the planet. All right, let's get making this project. We have the Shimmer Harvest, Couture Teal, and Guava. Let's go ahead and prep our transfer. You want to fuzz your transfer. These transfers are reusable. So if you take care of them, fuzz them, clean them as soon as you're done, you should be able to use this over and over again to make a ton of different projects. And now we can position it on our door tag. I'm gonna start with my shimmer. Let's go and grab our guava. We're gonna finish with our Couture Teal. All right, we're just gonna turn this right here, the best part of Chalk Couture. 1, 2. I'm gonna add just a little embellishment. I got this twine, and then I'm gonna tie a knot at the top. And then I just want to take some twine, I'm gonna wrap it around, and I use this. This is Rapid Fuse Super Glue. That turned out so good. I love it. We thought it would be fun to have a tray for you to serve, you know, some drinks, maybe margaritas, Mai Tai, whatever to get you into the summer mode. And I'm gonna be using a product by Simon Hurley called Lunar Paste. Now, we already cleaned our transfer and dried it. We're just gonna put this right in the middle. And the magic. Ooh. Now that we are done with the project, we clean and take care of our transfers. Our transfers are reusable. I've already cleaned the transfer, both sides using our board erasers, and dried it. Our transfers come with a backing sheet, and one side has got a shine, the other is flat. You want to make sure we stick it on the shiny side. I like to put my transfer sticky side up and then take the backer sheet, line it up, push it down, make sure there's no bubbles, and I do what I call the burrito method. Take my transfer, fold it up like a burrito, and then push it in, and then seal it back up. I absolutely love how both these projects turned out. Now, I know we're gonna get this question. So if you are going to serve food on your tray, make sure to spray it with a food safe sealer. If you're interested in joining our Club Couture program, make sure to look for the links down below. We would love to have you as part of our tribe and get you those exclusive perks. Make sure to check out our other videos. This month there are some great promotions and ways you can even save more money with Chalk Couture. Look for those videos on our channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.